So here's my Ikier K1 Max Pro project. I had originally designed this on my Fecta, which was a 400 by 400 grid, and this new Ikier has a 410 by 410 grid, and so it should have plenty of spares because I've built these Christmas decorations, many sheets of it. And now that I try to cut it on this one, which is supposed to have a bigger footprint for the work area, now as you can see the laser head is stopped, and I've got this machine exceeds maximum range of motion. So as you may have, or as you have suggested, if I go here, when I actually did the enable pointer offset, I did the test where I put a mark on the crosshairs, then I did a quick fire and got a burn mark, and I got 53 millimeters to the right of the dot, and that seems to be where things are pressing, but then it seems to forget that when it gets to the far right hand side. So now what's effectively happened is I've got a reduced work area on what's supposed to be a bigger machine, which is a bit of a piss off. Anyway, so I hit close, and I don't know that I can actually resume the print because it's now got an error. So I basically have to shut the machine off, and so if I go OK, start, no, it just hits the end, and it's nowhere near the end. So if I lift this up, you can see there's still lots of space here, but maybe there's a limit switch here that's in the wrong position or something like that. So I'll turn the fan off. So that's my dilemma. So you can see it got partway through the circle. These are Christmas decorations in layers. And this is the 400 by 400 meter grid. I actually pulled the grid off that. I have the other one that came with Ikier, but I don't like the bed. It letters drop down in between there, and you get double traces on them and everything. So I like the honeycomb grid a lot better from my old machine, so that's what I'm using right now. But that's kind of weird. So I'm going to try the same cut job without having the crosshairs, but I mean that's the whole point I got this thing, was so I could have the crosshairs to show me where to put place the worksheet, and also where I'm going to be able to place items that are on boards that are partially cut, as you can see. Anyway, that's my dilemma. So thanks for responding, by the way.